Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to block all followers on X. So open X application on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then enter your profile and find a section that says who you follow and who follows you. So let's tap here, and at the top you should select followers and basically go to account that you want to block and tap three-dot button in the top right corner of your screen and find a function that says block this user. So tap it and confirm your decision by tapping block button, and then you have to repeat for every single user that you want to block. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.